Now we are finally ready to look at keyboard control. I want to start with micro worlds and take a look at how we capture keystrokes over here. And I'll start by just typing in. There's this reporter called readchar. And I'm just hitting the return key right now, and you'll see this little dot showing up. If I hit a key right now, I'll hit the F key. It prints out an F for me. Okay. So the way we write procedures that do keyboard stuff for us is with readchar. So what I did was I wrote this little microworlds program, and I'll show you what it does first. So I'm just going to press the go button, and if I type a letter, so I typed A, if I type B, C, D, you see it's typing the letter that I typed, and then it's also typing this number over here. If I type the right arrow key, nothing shows up under here as a character, but we see the number 29. I'll type a K. So there are some keys on the keyboard that don't have a character representation as far as microworlds is concerned, but they all have an ASCII number associated with them. So ASCII is, let me stop this for a second. ASCII, and I always forget what ASCII stands for, but it's like something like American Standard something or other, character or something. So here, if you look it up in Wikipedia, it'll tell you, the American Standard Code for Information Exchange. So it's just a set of numbers that are attached to different letters, and it's a way that so that different computers can communicate with each other. So if all the computers agree that 97 is an A, just makes life easier for exchanging information. So a lowercase k is a 107, and so on. So yeah, let me just walk through what's going on here. So if I edit the go button, you see we're doing echo keyboard forever here. So forever and ever I'm saying to echo keyboard, and I have this little helper function that says do echo keyboard readchar. So do echo keyboard takes in that character, and I have this text box key as char. So set key as char just sets the contents of this text box to whatever the character is, and then set key as ASCII. Here's my key as ASCII text box. That puts ASCII char into the box. So ASCII is a reporter that takes a character as input and outputs the ASCII code for that input. So I'll often get the question, why do you have this helper function in here, and why not just do something like this where I have, notice I'm calling it bad echo, where I say, we'll just use readchar twice. Set key as char readchar, and set key as ASCII readchar. So let's actually try that one. So let me point out also, since when you have a forever clicked on the button, it's kind of like saying forever, like I could say forever echo keyboard, and that kind of does the same thing. Then when I over here and I say LMNOP and so on, and then so basically, so there's this process going right here. If I want to kill the process, I just hit stop, and now I can type to my heart's content, and nothing's going to happen. So let me just go back then to this bad echo example. Let me say, what if I say I'll just replace this one. If I say forever bad echo, let's see what happens here. So I'll hit return. And now if I say Q, look at this box changed, this one didn't. If I say S, this is the ASCII for S, but I typed in a Q. So can you see what's happening here? When I'm saying bad echo, if I go again, T, but this one didn't change. U, so I changed the ASCII there, but I didn't change the character. So what's happening is I'm saying set key as char. It's waiting for me to type in a character, and then it just changes this guy. And then it goes to here and waits for me to type a character, and it puts that ASCII in there. Okay, so this is a bad process. So the way we want to do it is with echo keyboard. Okay. Okay, so that's how the echoing the keyboard works in MicroWorlds, and in the next video we'll take a look at how it works in CodeSculptor.